I got a present for you, Nancy. And my toy. These are clothes. That's not toys. Let's get another one. They have toys.
Well, look at this. Look at this toy she got you. Oh my heck. It's a cute bag hat.
That's not.
Okay, these are not just clothes. Look. Beach Hunk 3. How old are you?
3.
Yeah. And look at this one. What's on that shirt?
What is that?
I don't know what that car is, but who else do you see?
What is this?
Francesco Bernili.
What is this?
I don't know.
And what is this?
Who do you think that is?
What's that?
That's his building. It says World Grand Prix. Do you like
And
it?
what's that?
I don't know his name. That's awesome. Can you tell Nancy thank you in the camera?
Thank you.
Can you give her a kiss in the camera?
I just kissed the camera.